I'm so excited. The other day, I was talking about how much I love using Tenzi dice because you get like these 4 sets of 10 of them. They're really fun games that you can play in your classroom. And I also use them a lot to just like, I roll the dice all the time to get digits for practicing division or get digits for fractions or whatever. And so word got to the Tenzi company and they sent me a box of more games. So I'm gonna open it right now. We asked them to also send it to the Cook STEM Academy, which is an academy here in Detroit. And so they got their box too. All right, Sarah, enclosed, please find a bunch of our simple, fast games like that. We're sure you'll find some creative ways to incorporate these in your classroom. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything else. Thanks and have a dice day. Oh my gosh, Steve Mark, executive dice president. Steve, love it. Let's get into it. Tenzi, okay. Ooh. So first of all, this is like a deluxe Tenzi party pack in a nice case and everything. Oh my God, I'm still getting, I already get so much crap for all my dice collection at school. Whenever somebody's looking for dice, they're like, go see Nichols. And I pull out my giant velvet bag of just, what kind do you need? You need some tetrahedrons, some octahedrons, some dodecahedrons. And they're like, just 6-sided dice. And I'm like, oh, I have those too. Buildsy! Okay, if you haven't played Buildsy, it's like real life Tetris. We use these at a math game night that we host for our lower school students. This is gonna be such a fun thing. And our 7-year-old is always so obsessed with it. Ooh, Itsy. Itsy, itsy bitsy. It's letters, it's laughs. Be the first to answer the Itsy cards using your letter. Interesting, okay. Ooh, this would be really fun for like literacy and stuff like that. Nice. Slap Z. So many Z's. The fast matching card slapping everyone laughing picture game. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be that, what's the spy game? Spot It, that's what it is. Spot It, oh man. Oh, I've been wanting this. The 77 ways to play Tenzi. Oh my gosh, Pair Z, Even Z, Stork Z, AC Doozy. 73 more ways. What a great care package. Thank you so much. This is gonna be so fun. I will certainly be sharing the wealth too. Yeah, so check out, because Tenzi, they make some great STEM toys, and they're just really good fast games that that kids at all ages like get into, and there's ways that you can use them in any grade level. Thank you.